It's April 2nd, 2010, early in the morning here on Salt Spring Island. And last night I was reading the weather forecast for Southern Gulf Islands and the San Juans, and they forecasted strong winds up to 80 kilometers an hour in exposed areas. You can see the arbutus trees moving over there. The one good thing about Salt Spring, we're the most sheltered of the Southern Gulf Islands. We're tucked up right against Vancouver Island, and we have all the other islands around us to the east. But you can see some of the winds. Let's look at those trees up there moving. The heavy winds go right over top of us here. I got the beach right across the street, and several miles across to the east I have the highest bluffs on Galiano Island. But it is pretty windy out here right now. Check that out. The eucalyptus trees. It's blowing pretty good up there. I don't really feel it down here in my garden. You see the palms are barely moving, but you look up there and the trees are moving big time. These Fatsias here, you see they're barely even moving. So that's to the east over there where I'm pointing the camera right now, and that's the ocean is just through those trees. So these big trees buffer me from the winds. It's the valleys on our island and the highest hills and the mountains that get the most wind. So down here where I am, about just over 100 feet above sea level, and surrounded by lots of forest, we're in a pretty good position. But we'll look up at these trees. There's the eucalyptus trees moving. It's about 7 degrees Celsius out here right now. Feel a few raindrops coming down. You can hear the eucalyptus trees up there. Native fir tree in the background. Shoot her down into the palms. Palms are barely moving at all down in here. Must be really windy on the ocean, I'm sure. I would not want to be on a boat right now. You can hear that. There's the bamboo down in the garden, barely moving. You look up at the treetops again. So I don't know when this is going to blow by, maybe sometime later this afternoon. But we're definitely not getting the 80K winds in here.